Hello everyone. If I could drive back to my 20s, there are things I wish someone had told me. Hard truths that could have saved me from financial mistakes, stress, and years of struggle. Today, I'm giving you that knowledge so you can make smarter choices and build wealth early. Let's dive into 10 brutal financial truths every young person needs to hear. Truth number 1. Credit cards are debt traps. Credit card companies make billions because people don't understand how interest works. If you only make minimum payments, that $500 shopping spree can turn into $1,000 in debt. If you can't pay it off in full, you can't afford it. Period. Truth number 2. A car note will keep you broke. Buying a brand new car with a loan sounds great, but the truth, that car will lose value faster than you can pay it off. A $40,000 car can drop to $25,000 in just 3 years. But guess what? You still owe the bank. Truth number 3. Furniture loans and store credit are traps. Buy now, pay later sounds like a dream until you miss a payment and get hit with insane interest rates. That affordable $3,000 sofa could cost you over $5,000. Don't fall for the trap. Buy what you can afford today. Truth number 4. Student loans can ruin your life if you're not smart. Education is important, but drowning in $100,000 plus in student loans for a degree that won't pay off? That's a bad investment. If you must take loans, choose a career path with high earning potential. Consider community college, scholarships, or trade schools. Work smarter. Truth number 5. Your degree doesn't guarantee success. A degree doesn't guarantee financial success. Skills do. Don't go to school just because everyone does. Research careers that actually pay well. Learn high-demand skills. Your degree should be an investment, not an expensive piece of paper. Truth number 6. Your first job won't make you rich. Invest early. Most entry-level jobs barely cover the bills. But here's the secret. Your money can work for you. Start investing early. Even $100 a month in an index fund can make you a millionaire by retirement. Truth number 7. Renting is not throwing money away. People will tell you renting is throwing money away. But the truth? Buying a home before you're financially ready can trap you in debt. Homeownership is great, but only when you can truly afford it or pay cash. Truth number 8. Lifestyle creep will keep you poor. Every time you earn more, you don't have to spend more. Wealth is built by saving and investing, not by upgrading your lifestyle to impress people who don't care. Truth number 9. Emergency funds are non-negotiable. Life happens. Your car will break down, medical bills will come, your job might disappear. An emergency fund is your safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. Finally, truth number 10. Your 20s shape your entire future. Every financial decision you make in your 20s either sets you up for success or struggle. Choose wisely. Start small, stay consistent, and make your future self proud. Thanks for watching. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe to Ola9 Wealth, and share with someone who needs to hear this. Your future starts now.